Hello and welcome to 5-4, regrouping to subtract mixed numbers. Today our goals are that we will be able to regroup mixed numbers to subtract them. And as always, I will find a common denominator when I'm adding and subtracting. I better add fractions. When I'm adding and subtracting fractions, I always need to find a common denominator. Anyways, let's get started. All right, so first, if I look at this, I have 6 and 5/12 minus 2 and 7/12. Now, as we can see, I can't do 5 minus 7, so I have to regroup, which means I have to ungroup. I'm going to take 1 from the 6, so now I have 5 whole numbers there. So then I need to add a 12/12 onto my fraction, because that's really the same as adding 1. So now I'm looking at 5 and, I'm just taking this 5 here, 5. And what's 5 plus 12? That'd be 17/12 minus 2 and 7/12 equals. Okay, so now if I do 17 minus 7, I'd get 10/12. So I know I can reduce that already. 5 minus 2 is 3. So let's divide by 2, and my new answer would be 3 and 5/6. So there is my answer right there. All right, let's try another one. Okay, so now I'm going to do 8 minus 5 and 3/4. Now I don't have a fraction there, so I can ungroup my 8 and add a 4/4. That's kind of nice because now I don't have to rewrite it. I can just do 4/4 minus 3/4 and get 1/4. 7 minus 5 is a 2. So, boom. We're done with that one already. That was pretty quick. So again, I'm ungrouping a whole number and just adding it to my fractions, and I'm going to pick whatever denominator is down here. So in this case, it's a 4, so then I do 4/4. In the previous one, it was a 12, so then I did 12/12, just to make things a lot easier on ourselves. All right, we have 2 more problems to work on here. Dave is recovering an old couch and cushions. He determines that he needs 17 yards of fabric for the job. Dave has 1 2/3 yards of fabric for his job. How many more yards does he need? So I would do 17 minus 1 2/3, always lining everything up. Now I don't have enough to work here, so I can borrow from the ones place. This is weird, borrowing from the ones place. So I'd have 6 left over, and then I would do, my denominator's a 3, so I would make it 3/3. 3/3 minus 2/3 is 1/3. 16 minus 1 is 15. So he needs 15 1/3 yards to finish his project. So if he goes to Joann's, he can just say 15 1/3 yards, please. And then he would have enough to finish recovering his couch and cushions. All right, let's try another one. Now, if Dave uses 9 5/6 yards of fabric to cover the couch frame, how much of the 17 yards will he have left? So I have 17 yards total minus, he used 9 5/6. So we have to see how much we have left to cover the cushions. So again, I have to borrow from the ones place. Again, feeling so weird about that. So now I have 6/6. So 6/6 minus 5/6. 6 minus 5 is 1. Keep my denominator the same. 16 minus 9 would be 7. So he needs 7 1/6 yards, or that's how many he has left for his project. All right, that is all I have for today. That seemed like a very quick video. So I'm looking forward to seeing you tomorrow where we can work on some of this stuff. Thanks for watching.